the standard package for the StarLine S9. Comes with emergency override, give you some spare batteries in the pack, and you've got the keys. And if I've got the tags in a Faraday bag, this actually has triple immobilisation, and it's on a high level security. So what this means is, as soon as you start it, it'll shut it down, and then it'll totally disable the vehicle without a tag. So if I try and start it, it'll quickly start, blue light comes on, shuts itself down, and now we are completely dead. We can't do anything till it sees a tag. So if I quickly show it a tag, tags are now in range. Set the system, foot on the brake, we're all good. We go straight to ready, and now we can select gear. Now I'll show you waiting for authorization. So this is another layer. So this was immobiliser mode if you walked away, left the vehicle unlocked. Now I'll show you if you do a relay attack with the key and it doesn't see no tags. So vehicle's locked and armed, mirrors are in. We have the key as if we was doing a relay attack, even though these keys go to sleep, in case it was relay attacked within a few short seconds of it, you getting away from the vehicle. So we unlock it. Tags in a Faraday bag. Vehicle starts and goes to ready. And then if I select drive, kills it instantly. We now got a countdown going on. Can't restart it. Select gear, kills the car again. And now it's going to go to full alarm trigger. It's calling the phone, sending a push notification, and the full alarm's going off. So, tags back out. Vehicle unlocked and disarmed. The vehicle will just start as normal. Vehicle goes to ready in the top corner there, so you're ready to drive. If you select gear, nice and safe, nothing at all, you're ready to go. So this is the StarLine S9, that's triple immobilisation. In the rear of the vehicle, I'll just show you now the shock tilt and motion and the dual shock sensor for the early protection. So early attacks, it's going to go straight off. So the StarLine totally integrates with the factory alarm, which is a Cat 1. So you get sonics at the front. So if the factory alarm goes off, it sets off StarLine and vice versa. So if I lock and arm it now, we'll give that good minute to arm, and I'll show you the motion sensors inside. So now if I move around, factory alarm goes off, StarLine goes off, it's now ringing the phone.
Final